In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror image in Inkscape. If you've ever needed to quickly check how your artwork reads when flipped, or you're preparing a design that's easier to refine when viewed in reverse, Inkscape has a simple way to mirror your canvas without changing your actual artwork. That's exactly what we'll do today. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load into the main workspace. Once you're in, either open an existing document or create a new one, whichever suits what you want to preview. Opening a file you're already working on is perfect for checking balance and symmetry. A blank document is fine if you just want to practice the steps. Next, look up to the menu bar along the top of the window and click the View menu. This is where Inkscape keeps all the options that affect how you see your canvas, as opposed to changing the objects themselves. Inside that menu, find the Orientation section. Depending on your screen size, it may be a submenu you need to hover over. That's normal. Within Orientation, you'll see two options: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Choose Flip Horizontal if you want a left-to-right mirror of your view. This is great for catching awkward spacing, checking typography flow, and seeing your composition with fresh eyes. Choose Flip Vertical if you want to mirror top to bottom, which can help you evaluate weight distribution and alignment from a different perspective. Click the one you need, and your entire view will flip immediately. Here's the key point to remember. This action only changes what you see on screen. It does not permanently alter the objects in your file. Shapes, paths, and text remain exactly as they were, and exports will reflect the original orientation, not the mirrored preview. Think of this as a non-destructive viewing aid, fantastic for quality checks and creative review without risking any edits to your design. If you want to switch back, simply return to View, go to Orientation, and click the same option again to toggle it off. You can also switch between horizontal and vertical flips at any time to compare different perspectives. If your guides or text look mirrored, that's expected. You're flipping the entire view, not just selected items. A quick tip: use this feature at key milestones, after laying out your composition, before final color decisions, and right before export, to catch imbalances your eye may have started to ignore. And that's it. You've learned how to mirror your view in Inkscape quickly and safely, giving yourself a powerful way to review your work without making permanent changes.